Hi, I'm Courtney Whitmore, an author and entertaining blogger at Pizzazzery.com. One of my favorite DIYs for kids' parties is adding a little bit of pizzazz to party hats. I love to use party hats. I think they're really fun. And for my daughter's second birthday, we had a Tutti Frutti themed party. So all things fruity, from pineapples to watermelons and DIY watermelon hats. So they're really easy to make, which I think is super important for a kid's DIY. All you do is use green rickrack and hot glue, so obviously you'll be making this for your children's party, and then a black marker for the seeds. So you simply just take the green rickrack and the hot glue, add it on as you work around the bottom of the party hat. If you want to measure out the rickrack, just hand hold it around the bottom of the hat until you kind of know where you are, and then just trim it. And I like to start hot gluing it around the seam of the hat, so then you kind of have the good side and the back side of the hat. So just do the trim and then overlap it a little with hot glue when it ends, and then you really won't notice the seam. Secure it, trim it, and then just use a black marker to just kind of essentially draw on the seeds all around the party hat. And it does not have to be perfect, it'll still look amazing. And then just set them down in the place settings, and it's one of the neatest little party tricks, and kids really love to wear them around the party, and they make for really cute photos. So the Tutti Frutti party was everything tropical. We had fruit kebabs and just so many fun fruity things. And so the watermelon hats were just kind of the icing on the cake for the place settings. Everything was fun in pink and yellow. The kids were running around in the party hats, and we loved it. And I just loved that the Tutti Frutti theme was sort of fitting, being her second birthday party. Head to the blog at Pizzazzery.com for the full DIY.